Welcome to the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild training for CARAGA and BARMM. It is my pleasure to welcome you all today for the third leg of the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild training. It is inspiring to know that more than 120 LGU participants from CARAGA and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao have responded to the call for this capacity building activity.
Along with the increasing challenges and magnitude of disasters all over the country, we must prioritize the plight of our most affected communities on the front lines. We are familiar with these challenges, like CARAGA region is, kabalo na mo.
Pinakamalala na na-experience ng LGU Tagbina is the Typhoon Vicky. Though we are conducting HIDRA, but we do not have the recovery plan. Gumagawa kami ng recovery and rehabilitation plan if there is a disaster. Wala yung pre-disaster. Nahihirapan kami sa pag-formulate kung ano yung mga PPAs na pwede namin i-propose. Nakikita lang namin is yung direct immediate needs ng mga affected population. Hindi natin napaplanuhan ang sustainability for them to recover.
After that, doon namin na-realize that there should be periodic updating of baseline data. Baseline data is very critical in coming up with an evidence-based recovery and rehabilitation plan. Without baseline data, sabog yung plano. Maganda po itong pagtuunan ng pansin ng ating local government units. Right information will provide right intervention. So with PlanSmart, it's very comprehensive from template to how it is being done. You can produce a very comprehensive plan out of its tool.
The PlanSmart application does not only equip our local government units in terms of RRP formulation. Actually, when I browse the tool, it also enhances the LGUs in crafting their local development plans. And with that, they can strategically formulate relevant programs and projects to address such issues.
By the use of the PlanSmart, malaking tulong talaga sa LGU kasi nakikita na natin yung mga possible hazard assessment. Mai-match namin dun sa na-craft namin na plan, sa 6-year plan, under sa recovery and rehabilitation. So hindi nagiging limitado yung pinopropose namin na mga PPAs. Then, dun po sa lecture ni Director Aris, dun po namin nakikita na hindi lang pala sa isang funding agency lang nakalaan ang sa pag-formulate dun sa budget allocation na maaaring gamitin sa recovery and rehabilitation plan, kundi maaari din para tayong mag-source out sa different funding agencies.
The approach, the blended type approach and the in-person approach are both complementing for the participants to thoroughly understand what PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild is and substantiated talaga.
Pag gumagawa kami ng plan, is rigid yung process kasi manual siya. With PlanSmart kasi, parang i-input mo na lang yung mga data as long as meron ka ng baseline and then siya na mismo yung mag-generate ng entire plan. So, mas madali siya compare sa manual kang gumagawa ng plan.
The PlanSmart application actually complements the regional development direction since it enhances the LGU capacities in providing rehabilitation and recovery plan at the same time in ensuring community resilience. So I'm encouraging all the municipalities to let us help each other in providing this data so that one day, or we don't wish the disaster to come, but we are prepared in facing any disaster.
There's still a lot of work to be done before we become totally resilient to natural calamities, and this is the first step. But our partnership should continue beyond today's training. Let us continue to work together to ensure not just our safety, but the safety of everyone else around us.
Please use the PlanSmart Ready to Rebuild app to plan ahead, work smarter, and rebuild faster.